This is Lidl Sweden's Parkside deals for week 18, starting Monday, April 27th. I know a lot of people enjoy these flyer deep dives, and honestly I think it's a pretty cool way to spot the best bargains together. So I'm giving it a go.
Yes!
Let's see what's actually worth buying this week. Starting off strong with the basics, the 20-volt cordless drill. If you have the Lidl Plus app, it's down to 349 Swedish kronor. It's basically the getaway drug to the whole Parkside ecosystem. But you can't build much with just a drill. You need the bits to match. That's where this 216-piece socket wrench set comes in for 899 Swedish kronor. It's a massive kit, pretty much everything you need in one box. Now moving from drilling to cutting, we got the cordless angle grinder at 329 Swedish kronor. And if you want to be extra precise, the angle grinder stand for 249 Swedish kronor is a great add-on to keep your cuts straight. Speaking of cutting, they also have the cordless bandsaw for 699 Swedish kronor. This thing is perfect for getting those clean, spark-free cuts in metal pipes or plastic profiles. The fact that it's cordless at this price point is impressive. It gives you so much freedom to move around your project without tripping over wires.
Who put you down there?
Now, let's talk about the heavy hitter. If you're going against concrete or stone, you want this performance cordless combination hammer for 599 Swedish kronor. Honestly guys, if I'm buying anything from this flyer, it's definitely going to be this one.
Yeah!
It's just too good for a deal to pass up. Think about it, it's a performance model, it's cordless and it's under 600 Swedish kronor. Why on earth would I miss out on that? Plus you get a 5-year warranty. This is the star of the week, hands down. For the specialized jobs like putting up walls, the drywall screwdriver at 699 Swedish kronor is a steal with the magazine attachment. And while you're at it, do yourself a favor and check out the universal tool base for 499 Swedish kronor. It saves your back and makes any workspace feel way more professional. To round things off, we have the stuff you always forget section. Packing tape for 29.90 and a variety of sealants and glues for 39.90 Swedish kronor. And a sturdy 2-step ladder for 299 Swedish kronor. Small prices, but they are things that actually keep a project moving. So that's the lineup for Monday. Like I said, I think this is a fun format, but what do you think? Should I make this a weekly thing? And more importantly, are you picking up the performance hammer too? Or is it just me? Drop a comment below and let me know. See you in the next one.